Welcome to Great Bear Tales, an authentic look at the people, places, and stories of the Great Bear Rainforest. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below.
The 210-mile run from Prince Rupert to Bella Bella is an adventure through the heart of the Great Bear Rainforest and incredible First Nations communities like Hartley Bay, Klemtu, and Bella Bella. The BC Inside Passage links Washington State to Alaska through one of the most beautiful marine ecosystems on Earth. World-class in every nautical way and traditional territory of coastal First Nations, the Inside Passage provides a unique marine journey, time, and space. Hartley Bay is a northern gem in the Great Bear Rainforest and home to Gitga'at First Nations. Tucked away backside Promise Island, Hartley Bay is a quaint boardwalk village with a long-time maritime history and picturesque coastal setting. Quick stop over here, Princess Royal Channel. This is historic Buttedale, which gets weirder every time I pull in by it. Not much left here now, they've cleaned most of the place up, but a really cool outpost on the coast and one of the coolest waterfalls around too. Beauty day. Southbound and down, running in protected waters inside Princess Royal Island. Smooth sailing all the way to Klemtu, BC. Home to Spear Bear Lodge, a pioneer in coastal wildlife viewing and ecotourism. But Klemtu's inner beauty may lie in its Great Bear Rainforest peacefulness and rejuvenative experience. Floating home towards Denny Island, Heiltsuk territory.
Thanks for watching Great Bear Tales. If you have any comments, questions, tips for visitors, or just want to share your own story from the Great Bear Rainforest, please leave them below. We read every post. Be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to Great Bear Tales channel. It really does make a difference.